So I know I haven't posted nothing in a while. Been busy working on other stuff like that. But right now, trying to get some stuff done with the Integra. Doing the quarters. My boy's doing the quarter right now. I'm about to pull the dash out so my other boy can get going with his wire tuck. And knowing me, I'm gonna be around doing some dumb shit.
Cocaine on the table, liquor porn, don't give a damn. Dude, your girlfriend is a groupie, she just tryna get in. Saying I'm with the band. Ay, now she acting.
We got a little bit of trouble. We got floor rust, so we're gonna cut that out. Get that what you call it, sheet metal, and get some structure going back for that. We still haven't started on the right side of the cars yet. You can see, still got work to do.
Working. For real.
Cause I haven't posted in a while. You know, I don't want you guys to feel like, you know, it was just like a one video thing. That's the bay right now. So it is champagne white with gold black backsplashes. You can see that little orange, but at certain angles you can see like a little green or a little rainbow color going there. So it's like a color shift kind of thing. It will work more in the sunlight, but that is actually rubberized, but I gotta do it over, well, put some more coats on it so it can wrinkle. Well, not rubberized, wrinkle. It's wrinkle paint, so I want it to wrinkle up a little more, so I gotta put some more coats on it so it can wrinkle up, add some heat to it so it can wrinkle the way it is supposed to. Then the front, I did the black front, stuff like that. Guys is here.
Toxic and Yardii motovation.
Alright, so right now I'm taking out the fucking whatever the fuck they call this shit, the fucking sound deadener, whatever the fuck they call this shit. Just taking all of it out of the car. Just did this side. I got the rears to do and shit like that. Still got shit in my way, but not gonna make a long video of this. I'm taking out these shits, and then my boy over there doing the wire tuck. And yeah, so phone wasn't recording. You let your hand touch it when I'm passing it, or
Lock off? What's the last piece?
I'm not sure when, but I didn't get when you broke that off just now.
Decent. But before we put nothing on it, we have to spray that thing on it though.
Just spray that thing on it, man. It'll stop the rust. You already got no? No.
I'll light up somewhere around there. Look in the trunk or something.
Yeah, please light up with us and
Gonna light up there, that don't work.
no, it's already not. You better than I go up on the other side.
It is. It's somewhere over there. Wire tuck is done and stuff like that. We just mainly. Yeah, I don't know why you moved it, but okay. Just finished cutting out the rear, doing the side panels and stuff like that, getting the dash down because we had to do the wire tuck on the inside, bring the fuse box inside. The power wire for the battery is going to be relocated to the back in one of those corners over there, either that side or that side. That's pretty much all we did right now. We got the quarters out. Before I forget, gotta show you the other side, but I don't feel like walking around the car right now. And some little accessory stuff like these little knick-knack stuff, the lip kit, and the wide body kit that he what do you call that? Donated to me. Just some minor stuff, but you know what I mean, I'm dying to put the motor back in, honestly.
So I could smoke this nigga shit.
Right here. But other than that, like, we're not really doing much in the garage. We're just chilling. Bro just did his transmission over there. You know what I mean? Shit's looking beautiful. Let me see if I could get a little zoom on that for y'all.
It's just the first coat.
So, yeah. So, shout out to Yardii Motovation and Tar the God over there. And now with the dope ass fucking S4 ST, also known for his Del Sol that he's currently building right now, and his EK that he's currently building right now.
Couple of projects.
You know what I mean? So just look out for the contents. You know what I mean? We're still here working, guys. We out here.